What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today is the fourth day of the Clickbank 30 days challenge, which I'm going to be trying to make money on Clickbank using 100% free traffic without having to spend any money in advertisement. And this is so that you can also go and get started with your journey. If you want to make your first money on Clickbank or online, you can go and follow this journey and try and do it for free. Once you make money for free methods, I recommend you can now take that money and reinvest it back on paid methods. So today is the fourth day, so if you haven't watched the other videos, you can go and watch from day 0 till now, so you're going to know exactly which place we are in the journey. So you can see from here, today is the 19th. This is the fourth day of the Clickbank sale challenge using 100% free traffic without having to spend any money. I'm going to show you guys everything I'm going to be doing, so hopefully by the end of this challenge we are going to make money. And if you are also following these methods I'm going to be sharing from here, hopefully by the end of this 30-day challenge you're also going to be able to make money. So as you can see from here, today is the fourth day. So we are in my Clickbank account. From here I go to the dashboard from here. So let me just check from here. You're going to see that this is just the fourth day, and you can see from here we have not yet made any money because I'm showing you guys realistically what to expect if you are going to be running free traffic, and you can make a lot of money from free traffic. All you have to do is just follow what I'm going to show you guys in this video, and hopefully by the end of this challenge we are going to make a sale as well. So you can see from here we have not made any sale. This is just the fourth day. We have just started sending traffic yesterday, so we are not going to expect a lot of traffic or sales yet. So you're going to just follow. You're going to make sure you're going to be patient because this is all with free traffic. So let's go to our reporting and see if we got any clicks or if anybody visited our offer. So you can see from here, as you can see from here, I checked right, you can see right here yesterday, you can see right here we got our sales. You can see, let's check today. As you can see from here, today we have not gotten any clicks yet. So let me just sort this by the seller. So you're going to see that we're promoting, the offer we're promoting is Mitolin. So let me go back to yesterday, click on apply. You're going to see that we got one click yesterday. And if I go, for example, right here to go and check where the free traffic came from, where the click came from, so what I'm going to do from here is I'm going to go right here on the seller and click on the type, and I'm going to go and click on the tracking ID. So you're going to see where this traffic actually came from. Is it from Pinterest or is from Instagram? As you can see from here, it came from Instagram. So we already got one click from Instagram. So as the days are going to be progressing, and we're going to be getting a lot more traction on our different social media accounts, that's how we're going to start getting clicks, and we're going to getting a lot more consistent clicks. That's where you're going to make sales. So you are going to follow this can absolutely work, and by the end of this 30-day challenge, hopefully we're going to make some good sales using 100% free traffic. So this is a win. So we have already made our first click from here. So the first step is setting up the account and the landing pages, and the next step is posting consistently. So let me show you guys the accounts and show you, so you can go and verify this and see exactly what I'm doing on those different accounts. So I go right here, you can see from here, this is a new TikTok account that I just created. This that I just started posting on. So this is an old TikTok account that I had since like 2021, and I had not posted anything much on this particular account. So it was just an empty account. But since I created an account since 2021, there was a possibility for me to go and input a link in my bio. That's why I am using this account, because if I create a brand new account, I need to have 1,000 followers to be able to input a clickable link from here. So if you have any or Insta TikTok accounts, you can just go and use it to go and promote your offers, just as I'm showing you guys in this video. So if I want to go and input a link from here and I have a brand new account, I'm going to need to go and buy followers, and we don't want to go and buy any followers. You need to have 1,000 followers before you can have a link in the bio from here. But since this is an old account, I can actually input a clickable link from here. That is why I am using this old accounts that had only 48 followers right here. So you can see from here, I just started posting new videos from here just today. You can see right here, I click on this first video. So you can see from here, I just posted this 2 hours ago, and you can see from here it's just a weight loss inspiration video of someone that lost weight. So you can see it's a transformation video. I can see from here I've already gotten 1 comment, and you can see I've gotten up to 17 likes and this 1 comment right here and one pin from here. So if I go back, let me exit out of this. So you're going to see all these videos I've posted them in the last 2 hours. So I click on this other one, you can see right here, posted 2 hours ago, 2 likes. So you can go and get a lot of targeted free traffic very fast from TikTok. And let me just go and add my link from here. Let me show you guys. I'm going to go and add my link in the bio because I just started posting on this. I've now added a link in my bio. So what we're going to do from here is that we're going to go and get our TikTok link, so that if any traffic comes from TikTok, we are going to know where the traffic is coming from. So what I'm going to do from here is I'm just going to go and input our TikTok link in my bio. So let me just take some few seconds and let me just do that, and it's going to be updated on our profile right here. So let me just go right here and click on add website, and that's it. Let me just click on save, and that has been saved. So if I refresh right here, we're going to go and have our clickable TikTok link from here. So you can see from here, that is our clickable TikTok tracking link that's going to take people back to our landing page. So you can see from here, so if I click, let me exit this. If I click on this link from here, you're going to see it's going to open right here, and this is our tracking, this is our landing page from TikTok, and that is it. So you can see our links are working. So anybody click from here and buy, then we're going to know we made this sale from TikTok, and this is the TikTok affiliate page right here. So let me just take some few minutes and let me just post some 2 videos from here while we continue with the video. So let me just post take some few seconds and let me just post some few videos. Let me post some, for example, a before and after weight loss video, and also an inspirational video. So we want to go and test a lot of different videos, because sometimes before and after weight loss videos perform the best. Sometimes you're going to see, for example, inspirational videos like funny weight loss memes that are going to go and perform the best. So you have to make sure to go and keep testing every single day and test all type of contents and see the one that is going to work well on your specific TikTok accounts, or even on Instagram. So let me just post. I've just posted some 2 videos, and they're going to be uploaded right now. So what you're going to do for me is that you have an old TikTok account, or you have a TikTok account that can already add a link there. I recommend that you go and do that. So you're going to go and do that for 100% free without having to spend any money at all. So that's it. So let me refresh this. You are going to see the new videos that I just posted from here. So you can see I just posted 1 video. As you can see from here, I just posted now 49 seconds ago, and this is already live on my account. So I recommend that you go and be posting at least 4 videos per day if you want to go and start getting traction, and you're going to be changing the content. You're not going to be posting only one type of content. As I told you guys, you're going to post, for example, funny weight loss videos. You can go and post, for example, before and after weight loss. As you can see, this one I've posted, for example, exercise videos, weight loss exercise videos, and you're going to go and see which one is going to perform the best on your TikTok account. And if you want to see the one that is performing the best, that's the one that you're going to be posting a lot more consistently, because that is the one that TikTok is actually recommending a lot more on that your account. So you can see from here, I posted another video. So I posted just 2 videos just right now, and they're already live, and soon I'm going to start getting some free traffic from TikTok. And you can see when I click on this link, it's going to take it back to our affiliate offer. So let me show you guys the other updates of the other accounts. You can see on Pinterest. So what I do on Pinterest right now is that I go and look for posts and videos that gets a lot of views. So what I do is that I go and look for the ones that have a lot of views and have a lot of traction on TikTok, on Pinterest. And what I do is I go and save those videos and also upload them back on my account. So let me show you as an example of what I've been doing on one of my Pinterest accounts that we just started. And these are, you can see the URLs, because I'm going to go to the accounts. You can see the URLs. You can go and verify exactly what I'm doing on those accounts. So one of the things I like to do is that I like to type, for example, how to lose weight fast, just like this one, and it's going to bring up all these results from here. So you can see there's a lot of images and there's a lot of videos, etc. What I like to do is I like to look, for example, for videos. So see, like this one, because when I click on this one, it's going to show me a lot of suggestions. So you can see from here, I'm not seeing any likes, I'm not seeing any comments. So if I want to go and repost, for example, this type of video, I'm not going to go and repost this. What I'm going to do, I'm going to go right here at the suggestions. I'll go and click on this one. So you can see from here, it has up to 25 likes. So that means that many people are engaging with this particular video. So what I do is that if it's relevant to my offer that I'm promoting, I'm just going to go and copy this link, go to Pinterest downloader, download it, and I use it on my own account. So I recommend that you go and look for the ones that are already getting traction on Pinterest before downloading. You're not just going to go and download any type of video and post. You're going to look for what is already getting a lot of traffic on Pinterest and you're going to go and repost them. So let me click, for example, this one. That's this one has 16 likes as well. And the good thing about Pinterest is that anytime that you click on any content, you're going to see a lot more. For example, you can see like this one, I just click on this video, you can see that it has a lot of other suggestions of videos similar to this particular one. And from here you can go and see the ones that are going viral on Instagram, on Pinterest, and that's the one that you're going to download and you can reuse it back on your account. So let me click on this one, for example. Alright, so you can see this one has up to 242 likes. It means that this particular video right here is performing very well on Pinterest. So what you can do is I can just go and click on this, copy the link, go to Pinterest downloader. You can just type Pinterest downloader on Google, and you're going to find a lot of Pinterest downloaders. You can download the video, you can upload it, and hopefully you're going to start getting some traffic as well, because this particular content already perform very well on Pinterest. That's the exact way I'm doing on Instagram as well. So I'm going to look for something that is already getting a lot of views. I'm going to download, then you can go and repurpose it and post it on your own account, because that particular content is already being recommended a lot in that particular platform. So I see from this one, I'm just going to download and I'm going to go and post on my account. So let me show you guys, this is the account right here. You can see right here I posted a lot of different videos from here. This is the first Pinterest account. You can see this is the link, so you can go and check out what I'm going to be posting on this account for these 30 days that we're going to be doing this challenge. And if this account gets banned, you have no choice. You are going to create other accounts and you can get traffic very fast if you are going to be posting consistently on Pinterest. So you can see from here we're getting some few views from here. So let me refresh this and see if you're getting a lot more views from this particular account. So I recommend, as I tell you guys, I'm going to create at least 5 or more of these Pinterest accounts, because you can go and get targeted traffic a lot more faster from Pinterest. So TikTok you can also get very free targeted traffic very fast, and Instagram takes a lot more time, but once you start getting traction on Instagram, you can go and actually get a lot of traffic very fast. So you can see from here I'm getting some views. You can see 9 views, 11 views, 12 views. So let me just go right here, let me just click on this and let's see our analytics. So let me go right to overview. I can see on this new account right here that I've not posted a lot of content. You can see from here I've already gotten 70 impressions. I can see right here to engagement, and soon I'm going to start getting a lot of clicks from here. So I'm going to go and be posting a lot more content on this particular account, and I'm going to create other accounts that I'm going to show you guys as well what I'm going to be posting on there, and also how much traffic I'm going to be generating from those accounts. So you can go and follow along, and we're going to be in this challenge together. So let me show you guys on the Pinterest account, on the Instagram account site. So this is the Pinterest account. So you go to the Instagram account. So this is one of the Instagram accounts from here, and I'm still posting content every single day, and I'm posting the content spaced out. So I'm not posting a lot of content at once, because if I post a lot of content at once, Instagram is going to block me from posting. That's why I am spacing out. But you can go and post a lot more content a lot more faster on Pinterest. So what I'm going to do is that I'm just posting, for example, 2 to 3 videos every single day, and as long as my Instagram account is aging, I'm going to be able to post a lot more videos so that my account is not going to get blocked right here. So let me go back to, for example, to this account. You can see this one right here. This is Catuelos. You can see from here you have 4 followers. I can see I'm still posting contents every day. You can see that some of them get views, some of them don't get views, but all I'm doing from here, you can see I'm posting a lot of different type of content. I'm posting before and after weight loss. I'm posting weight loss exercise videos. I'm posting, for example, weight loss documentaries or inspiration. So I'm just trying to test different contents here, so that I'm going to see which one Instagram is going to recommend in this account, and the one that they recommend the best, that's the one that I'm going to be posting a lot of them. Just the same like on TikTok. So you're just going to make sure to go and test different contents and see which one is going to get recommended, and once you find the one that is getting recommended most in your account, that's the one that you're going to be posting a lot more. So you can see from here we're still getting, for example, you can see I've not gotten any views from this one yet. You can see 2 views, you can see 9 views, you can see 368 views. So some of them are still getting views. So you can see from here I've also posted stories. You're going to make sure to go and post stories, because a lot of people watch your stories, and you're going to make sure to input a link. So I click right here, you're going to see right from here, you can see I already had 3 people view my stories. You can see right here you can see right here, there's already 3 people that view my story. So you have to go and make sure to go and post stories, because a lot of people pass through your stories, and if you're selling through your story, you can go and get a lot of traffic and also sales. So you can see from here, this is my story. I can see from here, I just click on this tab here to lose weight, and that is going to be the link right here. And the link that I input right here in our story is this particular Instagram link right here. So you're going to make sure to post stories every single day and post videos as well every single day. So one of the good thing about having multiple accounts is because, for example, this one, like consider this Instagram account is taking a lot more time, you can see that you can start getting a lot more traffic from Pinterest, meanwhile you are still growing on Instagram. So let me show you guys other accounts. You can see this one also has 4 followers. From here I can see I'm still posting consistently, and I'm also posting stories and asking people to click and go back to my affiliate website. You can see from here I have 6 views. You can see from here some of them say I have 0 views. You can see this one has 14 views. So everything is by posting consistently. I can see this one has 188 views, and I'm posting all of these videos with a call to action. So let me click, for example, on this one. So you can see I posted right here 22-day weight loss home workout. I can see from here, join over 12,000 people to lose weight. Click the link in my bio. I can see I'm always posting a call to action, so that anyone that is going to see my video, they're going to have an opportunity to go and click and go back to my offer. And that's how you can start getting some sales. So sometimes you can get only 10 followers, and you can see they have already made your first sale, because you need only 1 person to go and buy your offer for you to make a sale. So you can see from here, click on my stories. You can see from here I also posted a story. You can see I just posted a before and after weight loss image from here, 21 days. I can see I ask them to go and click right here to discover my weight loss secret. So I click on this link. So you can see the link. If I click on the link, it's going to take them, if they click on the link, it's going to take them straight back to our Instagram landing page from here. And if they click here, watch the video and buy, then we're going to make some money. So that's the update today that I'm sharing with you guys on what I'm doing right now. And you can see the accounts, so you can go and verify what I'm doing on those accounts as well. And hopefully you're going to follow along and start creating your own accounts, creating your own social media accounts, and start selling your own affiliate offers for free. So let me check back on that TikTok accounts that we just posted, if you have got any views yet, because sometimes you can go and get a lot of views very fast from TikTok. So let me just refresh from here and see if we had any change. As you can see from here, I've not gotten any views yet, but by tomorrow you're going to see we're going to get a lot more views. But you can see the views on this particular one has increased. So I'm going to be posting a lot more content just like this one, or if it gets 2 more views, I'm going to re-upload that video as well and see if it's going to do a lot more better. So that's it, guys. If you are new here, be sure to subscribe and also share this video so that others are also going to come and join this challenge, learn how to make money online without having to spend any money, using 100% free traffic. So that's it. Take action, and I'm going to see you in the next video.